Yo, what's up, crypto crew? So, you want to know if you can buy Bitcoin with Acorns, huh? Good question. Let's dive in. Now, Acorns is this cool little app that basically rounds up your spare change and invests it. It's like having a tiny financial robot that helps you grow your money without even thinking about it. But can this investing wizardry also conjure up some Bitcoin for you? Well, kinda. Let's break it down. Acorns doesn't let you buy Bitcoin directly. It's not like you can select Bitcoin from a drop-down menu and watch your digital coins pile up. Nope, not how it works. But there's a sneaky little workaround. Acorns offers something called an ETF. Think of it as a basket of stocks or other investments. And guess what? There's an ETF that tracks the price of Bitcoin. So, while you're not buying Bitcoin itself, you're buying a piece of something that follows Bitcoin's price. It's like investing in a Bitcoin shadow, but without the hassle of dealing with crypto wallets and exchanges. But wait, there's more. Investing in Bitcoin, or anything related to it, is risky. Like, really risky. The price can go up, it can go down, and it can do it fast. It's like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. So, before you dive headfirst into Bitcoin, make sure you understand the risks. Do your research, talk to a financial advisor, and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using Acorns for Bitcoin exposure. On the plus side, it's super easy. You don't need to worry about setting up a crypto wallet or learning about blockchain technology. Acorns handles everything for you. Plus, you can start investing with super small amounts. It's like dollar cost averaging for Bitcoin, which can be a smart strategy. But there are downsides too. You're not getting direct exposure to Bitcoin. You're investing in an ETF, which means you'll pay fees. And remember, ETFs aren't Bitcoin. Their performance might not exactly match Bitcoin's price. So, can you buy Bitcoin with Acorns? Not directly, but you can get Bitcoin exposure through an ETF. Is it the best way to invest in Bitcoin? That depends on your goals and risk tolerance. But if you're looking for a simple way to dip your toes into the crypto world without getting overwhelmed, Acorns might be worth considering. Just remember, investing is never a sure thing. Past performance is not indicative of future results. And always do your own research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Peace out.